Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hasbi Asbullah. I come from Bandung, West Java. I'm student Kiai Haji Abdul Wahab Hasbullah, University Jombang. Okay, today I wanna tell about passive voice. Cekidot, apa itu active voice? Active voice adalah kalimat yang subjeknya berbuat sesuatu atau melakukan suatu pekerjaan. Oke, langsung lanjut ke passive voice. Apa itu passive voice? Passive voice adalah suatu bentuk kalimat di mana subjek kalimat menerima aksi, bukan melakukan aksi. Oke, my friend, di sini saya akan memberikan contoh mulai dari simple present sampai modal. Passive voice. Rumus yang pertama, simple present. Yang kedua, simple past. Yang ketiga, simple future. Coba kita pahami baik-baik rumus tersebut. Oke, contoh yang pertama, simple present. Tukiam eats a bowl of soup every day. Kita rubah ke passive voice menjadi a bowl of soup is eaten by Tukiam every day. Contoh yang kedua dari rumus simple past. We cleaned our house yesterday. Ubah ke passive voice menjadi our house was cleaned yesterday. Yang ketiga, simple future. Contohnya, she will buy a new bike. Kita rubah menjadi passive voice. A new bike will be bought by her. Saya lanjut rumus berikutnya. Yang keempat, present continuous. Yang kelima, past continuous. Dan yang keenam, future continuous. Coba pahami rumusnya dan cermati sebaik-baiknya. Oke, my friend, contoh dari present continuous yakni he is listening to the music now. Kita ubah menjadi passive voice. The music is being listened by him now. Lanjut contoh berikutnya dari past continuous, yaitu she was cleaning the kitchen floor while the children were playing in the living room. Kita ubah menjadi passive voice menjadi the kitchen floor was being cleaned while the children were playing in the living room. Contoh berikutnya dari future continuous, yaitu they will be learning English at 9 o'clock next Monday. Kita rubah menjadi passive voice menjadi English will be being learned by them at 9 o'clock next Monday. Selanjutnya, rumus yang ketujuh, present perfect. Yang kedelapan, past perfect. Dan yang kesembilan, future perfect. Coba kita pahami rumus tersebut. Oke, contoh dari present perfect. Murray and his friends have finished the project. Itu aktif, dan kita dulu menjadi pasif menjadi the project has been finished by Marley and his friend. Contoh selanjutnya dari past perfect. Sally had read 200 books before graduating from the college. Itu aktif. Pasifnya yakni 200 books had been read by Sally before graduating from the college. Contoh dari future perfect yaitu we will have finished the job by Saturday. Kita rubah menjadi passive voice menjadi the job will have been finished by Saturday. Saya lanjut rumus yang ke-10 present perfect continuous, yang ke-11 past perfect continuous, dan yang ke-12 future perfect continuous. Contoh dari present perfect continuous. They have been doing the TOEFL test for 2 hours. Kita rubah menjadi passive voice. The TOEFL test has been being done by them for 2 hours. Selanjutnya, contoh dari past perfect continuous. Jane had been leaving me alone in party. Kita rubah menjadi passive voice, menjadi I had been being left by Jane alone in the party. Oke, contoh dari future perfect continuous. I will have been studying English for 2 hours when he comes. Itu berupa aktif. Jika berupa pasif atau kita merubah menjadi passive voice, English will have been being studied by me for 2 hours when he comes. Oke, rumus yang terakhir dari passive voice yaitu modal auxiliaries. Rumus terakhir passive voice yaitu modal auxiliaries. Coba lihat rumusnya pada gambar tersebut yang terakhir sendiri. Pahami dan cermati. Contoh dari modal auxiliaries passive voice. Oke, yang aktif. I must drink medicine every day. Jika dirubah menjadi passive voice, akan menjadi medicine must drunk by me every day.